Hello Quizopters, this is Guess the Wild Animal video, hope you will enjoy this. Let's start. And the first question is, what is the largest land animal? Which bird is known for its impressive courtship dance? Which big cat is known for its ability to swim and love for water? What is the largest species of penguin? Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? What is the world's fastest land animal? Which marine mammal is known for its playful behavior and intelligence? What is the largest species of bear? Which animal has black and white stripes and is native to Africa? Which animal is a marsupial and native to Australia? What is the largest species of shark? Which reptile is known for its ability to change color to blend with its surroundings? Which animal is often referred to as the ship of the desert? What is the largest species of deer? Which large herbivorous mammal has one or two horns on its snout? Which bird is known for its long migration journeys from the Arctic to Antarctica? What is the world's smallest mammal?